Listen, if you're a project manager, you've probably spent countless hours managing risk registers in Excel. But what if I told you that there's a better way to handle those risks? One that saves you time, keeps your team on the same page, and ensures that you never lose track of important data again. That's right. In today's video, we're diving into why smart project managers are ditching Excel and they're embracing SharePoint risk registers. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about collaboration. If you've ever worked with an Excel-based risk register, you know the drill. Somebody sends an email with the latest version, and then the emails just keep on coming. Everybody is working on a different version, which makes it harder to keep track of things. This means missed updates, confusion, and delays. Now, with SharePoint, it's all about real-time collaboration. Everybody on your team can access the same list, update it simultaneously, and stay in sync. No more chasing down the right version or dealing with the whole which file has the latest info situation. Risk registers are meant to be collaborative, and SharePoint is built for that. One of the game changers that SharePoint brings to the table is the use of forms. You can control the way risks are created by setting up structured forms that guide your team through the process. It's a lot easier than filling out spreadsheets and ensures that the data entered is consistent and accurate. Let's say that Jonah, one of our risk owners, is managing a new risk. Instead of typing data into cells and worrying about errors or missed fields, Jonah fills out a clear, customizable form that ensures all necessary info is captured every single time. Now, how many times have you found yourself sifting through email threads trying to find the latest version of the risk register? It's frustrating, right? Well, with SharePoint, the risk register is always up to date. No more searching through inboxes or wondering if the spreadsheet that you're looking at is the most recent. Everything is in one place, updated in real time and easy to track. No more version chaos. Listen, managing risks is more than just listing them out. You need to track mitigation strategies, actions, and deadlines. But SharePoint makes it super easy to link your risk to specific mitigation actions and keep them organized. Okay, this is me looking at the risk register, and I'm going to artist cancellations. I'm going to click into artist cancellations. I'm going to look at the risk mitigation. Here's the mitigation that needs to happen. I say okay. Then I come down here on that same risk and I create a task. So the task name is to identify the local and regional artists. Then the due date is going to be January 3rd. I'm going to hit run flow. And that created a task in Asana. I don't think I'm logged into Asana to even see it. Like, look at this risk register right here. Each risk has its own action item and assigned owner. You can track who's responsible for mitigation and make sure that nothing slips through the cracks. Risk management isn't just about identifying problems. It's about reviewing them. With SharePoint, you can set reminders for risk reviews, so your risk owners get notified when it's time for a check-in. Say goodbye to chasing people down and sending countless reminder emails. SharePoint does it for you, so your risk owners are prepared for those meetings. So another benefit of SharePoint is its flexibility with views. You can view your data as a list, a calendar, or even a Kanban board. That means whether you prefer tracking your risks by date, status, or even owner, SharePoint lets you choose the view that works best for you. If you're a fan of calendars, you can easily see due dates and review deadlines or any other dates you add to your risk register. If you prefer Kanban boards, you can use that to view your risk by statuses. And that's just a few clicks away. It's all about managing your life easier. Look, it's not just the project manager that's going to benefit from SharePoint. Everybody wins. Risk owners have an easier time entering their data, tracking actions, and staying on top of their tasks. Leaders and stakeholders, they can access the latest information at any time without needing to dig through emails or rely on an outdated report. Let's talk about Jim. Jim, he's a risk owner, but he loves customizing his view of the risk register. And with SharePoint, he can create a private view that suits his needs without changing the way other people see things like it would in a spreadsheet. It's a win-win. Then there's Shamir, the project manager who's sick of manually sending reminders and emails. Instead, Shamir just uses SharePoint's automation tools to notify the team members and risk owners. No more chasing people down. Automation takes care of it. Even if your team prefers other tools like Asana, you're still in good hands with SharePoint. Angie is a new team member, and she uses Asana for task management. But with SharePoint's seamless integration, the project manager shows her how to use both tools together, making sure that all risk information stays in sync. And let's not forget about Jermaine's leadership team. They don't want to visit the SharePoint site all the time. So Jermaine exports the latest risk data into Excel and then sends it out. No problem. And since SharePoint and Excel are connected, the export stays up to date with every change. It's a simple refresh. And let's talk about Jonah. Jonah makes the process even easier for risk owners by using SharePoint forms. So instead of doing data entry into an endless spreadsheet, risk owners get an intuitive form experience that makes risk entry painless. So, do you see how SharePoint can make your life as a project manager so much easier? If you're ready to ditch Excel and embrace the future of risk management, check out my Risk Register Revamp course. The link is in the description. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on tips to make your project management life smoother. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.